V-Moda recently released the Crossfade 2 Wireless Codex Edition headphones, which are an upgrade over their previous non-Codex Edition headphones. How do the Codex Edition headphones differ from their predecessor? Well, besides being slightly more expensive, the Codex Edition headphones have support for different high-quality codecs, so that audiophiles can get more pristine-sounding music, closer to the original sound that was produced at the source. The Crossfade 2 Wireless Codex Edition headphones are hybrid headphones, in that they can be used either wirelessly through Bluetooth or through a wired connection. Having support of different high-end Bluetooth codecs, such as aptX, which is a family of audio algorithms made by Qualcomm, and SBC, which stands for Low Complexity Subband Codec, makes the sound almost indistinguishable between wireless and wired listening. But if you're looking for certified high-res audio, you'll get that through the wired connection alone. So what exactly is high-res audio?
Res me, bro.
Well, in a nutshell, it gives the listener a more detailed, layered sound experience, close to the experience you'd get from hearing it live. This is achieved through the ability to decode and play lossless music file formats. Uncompressed music files are huge files, and thus are not practical for storing on phones or streaming. Certain file formats such as WAV, FLAC, or Apple's ALAC are lossless file formats. That is, they are capable of compressing a music file without losing any of the original sound quality.
Yes!
File formats such as MP3 and AAC, which are more common music file formats, are considered to be lossy formats and have a slightly lower sound quality because some data is lost during their file compression. The V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless Codex Edition headphones are able to play all of these file formats, which is important because in order to listen to music or movies with high-res audio, you'll need both high-res capable headphones as well as a source player that is set up for these codecs. Most newer flagship phones and mid-level receivers have this capability built in. Build quality is another way the V-Moda Crossfade 2 Codex Edition headphones achieve beautiful sound. They have dual 50mm diaphragm drivers, which help to separate the bass from bleeding into the mids and the highs. The copper-clad aluminum wire voice coil also helps to provide superior high-res performance.
Wait, what?
Copper-clad aluminum wire? Isn't that a cheapo replacement for pure copper wire? Well, actually no. It's a better alternative. You see, copper is better than aluminum for the conduction of current, but it's heavy and it's important to minimize the mass of the voice coil for optimal performance. Sciencey stuff, I know.
Science!
But that's where the aluminum interior of the wire comes into play. It provides a lower mass than plain copper while keeping the better conduction of copper on the outside of the wire. It's a smart solution that provides the best of both worlds.
Brilliant!
The 3D surround field on these headphones is impressive. They really provide an immersive experience, especially when listening to music with a full orchestra, lots of cymbals, or multiple vocalists. Each layer of sound is distinguishable. The sound is absolutely amazing. The codexes can also be excellent gaming headphones. When wired, they become an analog, zero-latency headphone, which is crucial for a winning online gaming experience. You can use the integrated microphone or purchase an optional boom mic attachment to best suit your needs. These headphones are built tough, with quality materials, yet they're lightweight and comfortable. V-Moda claims that they've optimized the force on your head and ears with their hexagon earpad shape. While not too tight-fitting and very comfortable, I find the top of the earpads fit a little looser than I would prefer. That said, the earpads do have super cushy memory foam that I could wear for hours. The entire unit folds up nicely with V-Moda's patent-pending click-fold hinge. Also provided in the box is an exoskeleton shell carrying case, complete with ventilation and carabiner clip, plus interior straps to hold your charging cable and analog wire. The shields on the outside of the codex can be customized with many different materials, including precious metals, colors, and patterns, and also can be 3D printed or engraved. These headphones employ passive noise canceling, so while they'll block out most sound, you'll still be able to hear loud outside noises, but you also don't get the annoying ear pressure / artificial sound of active noise canceling. Noise bleed is minimal, but is still present. The 14-hour battery is pretty solid, plus you can always switch to using the cord if your battery dies. There is a microphone built into the headphones, and if you use the wired connection, there's a microphone with one control button on the cord. Phone calls come through loud and clear on both ends. The Codex Edition headphones can also be connected to 2 devices at once for all you multitaskers out there. Well, that's it for this review of the V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless Codex Edition headphones. Thanks so much for watching all the way through. Please hit that subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share with a friend if you enjoyed this. It sure helps me out as I'm working hard to build my audience. I hope you enjoy these headphones as much as I do, and I'll catch you on the next video.